Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry gravy thicker. First, the simplest method is to reduce the liquid content through simmering. Gently heat your curry over a medium-low flame, allowing the excess water to evaporate. Stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even thickening. This process can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your desired consistency and the initial volume of your gravy. It's a natural way to intensify flavors too. Another effective way to thicken your curry is by using starch. A cornstarch slurry works wonderfully. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water until smooth. Gradually whisk this mixture into your simmering curry, allowing it to cook for about 2 minutes until it thickens. You can also use flour, but remember to cook it for a bit longer, perhaps 3 to 5 minutes, to ensure there's no raw flour taste in your delicious gravy. Beyond starches, several other ingredients can help achieve a thicker curry gravy. Adding a tablespoon or 2 of full-fat coconut milk or cream not only thickens it, but also adds a lovely richness. For a more subtle approach, you can mash a small cooked potato or a few chickpeas directly into the curry. Alternatively, a tablespoon of smooth nut butter, like cashew or almond, can provide a creamy, thicker consistency and a delightful depth of flavor. To achieve the perfect curry gravy, remember to add any thickening agents gradually. It's much easier to add more than to thin it out if it becomes too thick. After thickening, always taste and adjust your seasonings to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced. Finally, letting your curry rest for about 5 to 10 minutes off the heat allows the gravy to settle and thicken slightly more, resulting in a wonderfully consistent and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.